Hello everybody, coming at you with another video. I just got off of work and I decided to, record this video, and it's gonna be on this Voss cinnamon lip plumper that I got in last month's Petit Vour unboxing. And I've never tried a lip plumper before, so I decided to do this video and test it out. Record my reaction. If I don't really have a reaction, well then, you probably will never see this video. Because there'd be no point in editing, it wouldn't be entertaining at all. And videos are supposed to be entertaining. But okay, I'm going to try this Voss cinnamon lip plumper. And I went onto the site online and said it was just a lip balm with cinnamon in it. That's supposed to help, blood flow come to your lips, cause them to look juicy. So I couldn't find my lip brush to apply this because I hate putting my finger in these kind of pots of lip balm, but I cleaned my hands. They're nice and cleansed, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into this little baby. And also, didn't bother getting all fancy schmancy. I have no makeup on my face. Okay, I'm gonna warm it up and get this sucker on my lips. This seems like really hard. It's pretty firm. I don't feel like I'm getting anything on my finger. There's definitely a immediate tingle. I don't think I should, be adding any more of this stuff on my lips, but yeah, here I am. I'm adding more. Like a maniac. I mean, the coconut and olive oil, I think it was olive oil that's in this, is very moisturizing. It's very smooth. But I definitely feel like a tingling, and now it's, it's elevating itself to a more fiery feeling. I'm not sure I like the way this feels. I couldn't keep this on my lips all day. So far, I don't know how I feel about this. It's kind of like the feeling after you eat like really hot salsa with some chips. You know that burning feeling that sometimes when you eat spicy food and it gets on your lips and stuff? That's how I feel right now. I feel like my lips are burning off. But it's not like terrible. Maybe I just have like a really high pain tolerance. I wish I had a mirror. Hold on. Hold that thought. I'm gonna go get a mirror. Alrighty then. I have found my mirror. Let's see. Well, my lips don't look any, plumpier. But they do look extra dry because my lips have been in a terrible state lately. I'm just gonna add some more. I don't think there's a thick enough layer of this stuff on my lips. I really wish I found my lip brush. I think that would have been way more helpful. Well, they definitely look disgusting. I should have exfoliated before doing this video, but this is raw. This is real. This is my face. I'm not sure I'm noticing any plumping action, but I am noticing my lips are getting intensely red. So, if you really want to go for like an all-natural look, and for those rosy lips, I suggest this lip plumper. Even though it slightly burns, and if you're like way more sensitive than I am, this is not gonna work for you. It's not gonna work for you at all. I wonder how this would have worked if I did it with underneath like a lipstick. Put liquid lipstick over these lips. I wonder if I'd still feel the burning. Well guys, this video might have been utter fail. Might have been just a big fail. Nothing interesting happened. It's just a lip plumper. I don't know if I'll even put this video up. Heck, what? I'll just put it up for fun. It'll be like a 5-second video, who cares, right? Alright guys, first impression of this baby right here. For the most part, it just feels like a regular lip balm with a slight tingling sensation. Maybe this be good for exfoliation action. Well, that's it for this video, y'all. Not very successful. Basically, just turned out to be just, for the most part, regular lip balm. But if you guys want to try it, it's not bad. It smells delicious if you like cinnamon. It smells like Big Red, the gum. I haven't had that since I was a wee little one. I haven't had Big Red in like years. I might have to go get that. That's what you know what? That feeling you get on your tongue when you eat Big Red, that's my lips right now. That is exactly it. I just put Big Red gum in like a melted emollient form all over my lips. That's what that was. That's what this whole thing was. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video I decided to do, and my next video should be my Petite Voix unboxing. Late as ever. But you know, I'm sorry, I can't help it. Until next time, bye. Okay. Yeah. Hello everybody, I just got off of work and decided to record another video. I just put Big Red lug. Well, that's it for this video. I had fun, I guess. Kiss me, baby, on my lips, Plumper.